Welcome to 30 Day Reviews. I'm Justin and I use all the products for around 30 days before giving you a full honest review. A while back, Lucky Frank sent me this package and I was extremely happy to find inside his complete wet shaving kit. Now, I've already reviewed the three main products that came in this kit: the double-edge razor, the shave soap, as well as the shave brush. However, I wanted to show you guys how this all came packaged, so I'm going to do kind of an unboxing for you guys, and as I go through it, if you haven't seen one of those videos already, I'm going to have the product review pop up in the corner. Now, there wasn't only three products that were in this kit, because there's also two things that, well, they just didn't really deserve their own reviews, so I wasn't going to waste your time with that. But we'll take a look at those after I show you guys the kit. I really like how Lucky Frank's packaged this, from the perfectly sized box all the way down to the black tissue paper that kind of brings it all together. First thing we're going to take a look at is the stainless steel and synthetic brush. Then we're going to go ahead and pull out the handmade sandalwood shave soap in a very convenient travel tin. Next up is the shave bowl that is also stainless steel. Then if you dig in there a little bit, you can get the Astra blades out. And last but definitely not least, we have the double-edge matte black safety razor. Now, this kit really does come with everything. As you saw, it even includes the Astra blades that you need to put in the razor to get started, and a shave bowl. Now, I didn't do a review separately on either of these because, well, quite frankly, they just didn't deserve one. But I want to tell you guys a little bit about them anyway. So the Astra blades comes with 5 blades in it, and they are all individually wrapped in their own little piece of almost parchment paper. And so that should last you at least a month, month and a half, or longer if you're me and don't have really coarse hair. Now, the shave bowl is stainless steel, and I like it because it is a bit shorter than some of the other stainless steel bowls that I've used in the past, which really allows me to be able to have a little bit more freedom with the brush as I'm making my lather. Now, the bad part about having a shorter bowl is that the lather does want to spill over the edges quite a bit sooner than the taller ones. However, I don't really mind that because it's super easy just to wipe it up with the brush and get it back in the bowl to continue to lather it up. I've looked at quite a few complete wet shaving kits, and I have to say that this one is definitely one of the better ones that I've seen, and actually does come with everything you need to begin to wet shave. The only other thing that I could see that might be helpful is a stand to hang your brush and your double-edge razor on, but other than that, you can literally shave with everything in this and shave well. And honestly, it's definitely one of the better priced ones that I've seen at just $50. So if you want to pick yourself up a set, or even maybe that new shaver that you know, or maybe someone that's currently using a Bic, make sure to check out the link down below to get them one of these, because they will definitely thank you. Down below, you'll also find the links to the brush, the shaver, as well as the shave soap. So don't forget to check those out as well. Or instead of individually clicking those links, go ahead and check out the playlist above, and that one even includes my review of Lucky Frank's mustache wax. And underneath that playlist, there's another video that you'll probably enjoy as well. Until next time, you have a good one.